Howdy, with this video I want to show you how to do one of the journal entries. You're going to see that for journal entry number 9, when it comes up, you got to go to the Northeast State databases and find 3 possible sources for your APA medical essay. Then create a properly formatted reference page entries for these 3 sources. And that's a lot easier than it first sounds. I want to show you how to do that. To get into the Northeast State databases, you want to go to the Northeast State website. Not D2L. You want to get outside of D2L and actually go to the Northeast State website at northeaststate.edu. You should see the bear there or something. But to get to the library and the databases, you want to go to the Students tab. And then you're going to come down to Library. And you should come to this page. And if you look down here on this, toolbar, you want to come to Online Databases and click on that. Then you might have to scroll down, depending on how big your screen size is. And you can see there's 117 databases. We're not going to work through all of those. That's way too much information. We want health databases, so we're going to click on H. And Health and Medicine and Health and Wellness are both 2 very good databases. We're going to go to Health and Wellness, the second one. That's kind of a database designed for high school, college students doing research essays on medical topics like you are, right? So you need your username and password. If you change your password to get into D2L, you might have to go back to your original date of birth password. The reason you have to do this is because we're working from off campus. If you were on campus, you wouldn't have to do that. But here we are at the Gale Health and Wellness database. You might be able to access this through your school library as well. Sullivan North. Tennessee Electronic Library is your tax dollars at work. This is a free database for everybody in the state of Tennessee. So, of course, schools take advantage of it, and it's a good database. But we're here at Gale Health and Wellness. You can type in and do an advanced search. An easier way to do it is kind of come down and browse through topics, through the different diseases and conditions. Kind of depends on how popular is not the right, how prevalent the condition you're going to talk about is. But let's say we want to do lung cancer. We'll click on that. And one, you'll get an overview where you can read more, but also you'll get over here some reference books or online reference resources to use. This Gale Encyclopedia of Medicine is a really good one. It's designed, again, for students at the high school, college level, writing essays on medical topics. So we're going to go ahead and say, and it'll start narrowing things down to non-small cell lung cancer, small cell lung cancer, things like that. So we're going to just go ahead and go with small cell. And you can kind of see it's authored, it's peer-reviewed, it's generally up to date. And it's a really good source, as opposed to going just to the internet, typing in lung cancer and seeing what you get. You have a reliable source here. And it's a pretty good one. It talks about definitions, how often people get it, description of the disease, causes and symptoms, on and on. So it's an excellent source. Again, it's peer-reviewed, it's reliable. It can show you how to cite things in your essay. But one other kind of neat thing, and you kind of see it's also written at our level, right? When it's not a doctor speaking to a doctor in very technical terms, this is designed for us. And it also gives you other websites you can go to. So it's a great place to start, a great place to find additional information. And the really cool part about these databases is it'll do the citation for you. We recently went to a new version of APA formatting. We went to the 7th edition, and the databases are up to date with that, which is awesome. So you just click on APA 7th edition, and you can download that or copy it and paste it. And I want you to do that 3 times for journal number 9. And hopefully you're going to see these databases are pretty neat. One, when you get into the entire database, it's just way too much information. But keep in mind, you're just talking about one person's experience with the disease. So you're looking for your research to match that person's experience in some ways. But it's a good way to kind of see how the new APA formatting is working. It does your reference page entry for you. So it's a really neat tool. I hope you learned to appreciate it. But that's what I wanted to show you, and I'll get off here, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.